Hi, my name's Kat McDowell, and I'm a singer-songwriter and origami teacher here on YouTube. I post music-related videos, origami videos, and the occasional vlog, so if you'd like to see more videos from me, make sure that you hit subscribe, hit that bell button, and you'll get more. Let's get folding! Today, I am going to show you how to fold the cutest dog. This dog is sleeping in a Superman position. So we're going to start with 2 sheets of paper. One is going to be the head and one is going to be the body. Open it up and fold it in half again. And now we're going to take the center fold all of these corners in to the center. And let's repeat the process again. Fold all of these corners into the center. And unfold just these two. Fold this side in to the center. Put over. Open it up. So we're going to fold these 2 parts out. So put your finger here, open this up. And squash the top down. Then you're going to bring this up to here. Flip it over. Fold this over. See the pocket here? Put your finger inside and squash it down. Same thing on this other side. Awesome. Then we're gonna make the little Make the shape of the head. And here is our dog's head. We can draw its face in, little nose, and its eyes. Some little red cheeks. I don't know if that's realistic. Okay, now let's make the body.
As our hearts grow stronger, we'll grow closer. I wanna show you who I am, and know you love me just as I am. I want to see you just the way you are. As our love grows stronger,
So I'm just drawing out the part for you to fold out here.
time is everything. Wind back the clock. Wind back the clock. Try this remedy. They'll never know you're getting old.
Same thing on this side.
My reflection. Another crease again. It's my unwelcome friend. It seems the lines are getting deeper. My time out in the sun looks like it's catching up, and I find myself listening to all the rules that the world keep telling me. Time is everything. Wind back the clock. Wind back the clock. Try this remedy. They'll never know you're getting old.
Okay, so I'm just drawing this out again. You don't necessarily have to use a pencil to draw it out, but you can if you want to. Just to make sure that it's even on both sides. So this is where you're going to fold.
Being just like the rest, and I find myself listening to all the rules that the world keeps telling me. Get lost in the crowd. Why would you want me to erase the history that marks your face? You're getting old. Time is everything. Wind back the clock. Wind back the clock. Try this remedy. They'll never know you're getting old. Time is everything. Wind back the clock. Wind back the clock. Try this remedy. They'll never know you're getting old. I had a dream that you were cool and things were different. Today I woke up and saw the light. It kind of feels like I'm a fool for your resentment. And if that's the way you're feeling, alright. If I'm so hard to love, I never open up. If you can't get enough, that's on you. That's on you though. If I'm too much to take, you say my friends are fake. You could just walk away, and it's on you. 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 You feel alone but haven't been for like a second. I've been beside you all this time. It'll bring you way down low the minute that you let it. And if you wanna go and let it, alright. If I'm so hard to love, I never open up. If you can't get enough, that's on you. That's on you. I used to take the bait, I'd overcompensate, but now I want some space, and it's on you. 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 So watch me walk away, walk away. Just watch me walk away, walk away.
And here is our body.
Walk away, walk away.
So, these should slot in perfectly. You just want to take the the neck, slide it in.
It's on you.
Should pop right in there, and you can use glue if you'd like to.
It's on you. It's on you. It's on
But it should stay. And there you go. There's your Superman dog.
It's on you.
I can't wait to see what yours looks like.
It's on you.
I hope you enjoyed today's origami lesson. Remember to subscribe if you like these videos, and please tag me in your photos if you ever post them. I'd love to see them. I also make origami live on Twitch, so come and hang with me over there. I'd love to see you. If you want to hear more of my songs, there's a playlist here. If you want more origami tutorials, there's some right here. And lastly, I want to thank my Patreon supporters. Their generosity allows me to do what I do here on YouTube. So thank you. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you again next week. Bye!